Clearing cache on Instagram is actually very simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, if you're using a web browser, to clear cache on that, you must clear your browser's overall cache. That's if you're using your Chrome or Edge or Firefox. You need to go into the browser's settings and then delete the cache. If you're using an Android, what you're going to do is you're going to clear cache directly through the system settings without deleting the app. But if you're using the iOS or iPhone device, the only way to clear cache is to delete the application or to offload the app. And offloading the app would involve reinstalling the app, but it will preserve your login. Now, the first method, definitely, that I spoke about, open the Instagram app and you delete the app. That's first. The second method to do this is to go to settings and you go to general. On the general, you're going to go to iPhone storage. And on the iPhone storage, you're going to look for the Instagram application. Once you enter the Instagram application, you're going to click on offload app. And once you upload it, you're going to tap on reinstall app and it's going to reinstall the application, but it's going to clear your cache and preserve your logins. Now that's how to clear cache on Instagram for iOS. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.